Today we're going to touch up Woodtone Chrometallics. So as you can see, there is a scratch and a gouge in the material. We're going to start by using masking tape to protect the surrounding areas, leaving the scratch and the gouge exposed. Now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and cut away the masking tape where the gouge is located, being careful not to scratch the paint any further. Once you've cut away your masking tape, you can use a small amount of the provided epoxy filler on a blade and force over the defects. Make sure to fill the scratch or the gouge completely before smoothing out the edges. You can now carefully peel off the masking tape and use a razor blade to gently shave the excess filler material until smooth. Now that the scratches are filled and smoothed, you can take your base coat paint, shaking the bottle thoroughly before using a small amount to apply over the scratches. Make sure that the base coat is completely dried before moving on to the next step. Now, using the metallic top coat, shake thoroughly beforehand. Use the brush cap to lightly paint over areas covered with the base coat, feathering out the edges and letting it dry completely. If you find it's not enough coverage, you can do a second coat of the metallic paint. The finished product should look something like this. You can find written instructions at woodtone.com. Thank you for following along.